Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Element Studio on your PC so you can run AI locally on your computer for free. So first you need to go to your browser and search for Element Studio and click on this elementstudio.ai, which is the official website of Element Studio. Now you just need to download this for Windows, so click on this download on Windows and it will start to download on your PC, as you can see, which is 579 MB. But I have already downloaded this, so I'm just going to go to the folder and here's the exe file. So we just need to double click to open this, and as you can see, this is the installer here. Now we just need to agree, so click on I agree. And if you want to use this for all users, you can select that. But if you want to only use for your but if you want to use for this only the personal users, like you have many users on your PC, select the personal one. So I'll just use that and click next. And this is where you can change the location, like where you want to install the Element Studio on your PC. So if you want to change that, so I'll change that. I'll just click on browse. So I change the file path to my folder and it will take 1.9 GB, as you can see. And I'll just click install. And as you can see, it will start to install on my PC. Now, as you can see, Element Studio has been installed on my computer. Now, if I check this box, it will automatically start to run the Element Studio. So let's just click finish. And you can see the Element Studio shortcut is here. So it's going to now run on my PC. Now, as you can see, it's successfully installed on my PC. Now you can start to use the Element Studio, and you can see this is the developer menu. You can see a lot of option here, and you can see there's also some API key here, so you can use that. Here's the LLM, which if you download any LLM or the AI model, this will be here. And this is the search option, where you can download any AI model that you want to use for locally on your computer without any internet connection. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. This is how you download and install Element Studio on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.